Hi! So, nandito tayo para subukan yung iba't ibang tomato or kamatis. Diba? Kung nakikita nyo, meron tayong isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, limang klaseng tomato. So, itong tomatong to, pwede mo tong snack or pwede siyang ihalo sa salad. Tapos yan, yung nakikita nyo yan, reject yan. So yan, as you see, kita mo, may crack. So reject yan. Hindi natin yan gagamitin or hindi natin yan kakainin. Actually, pwede naman siyang kainin, pero hindi namin siya kakainin. Gagamitin lang namin siya para i-compost ulit. So, pag kinompost yan, gagawin namin siyang pataba sa halaman or sa lupa. So, yan. So, ngayon sasabihin na natin i-reveal na natin kung ano-anong klase ng tomato ito. So, ito, titikman natin. Tapos, sasabihin ko kung ano yung pinaka masarap na para sa akin, na masarap na tomato. This one is cherry tomato, as you see. Okay, there. Cherry tomato. So. This one, it's sweet. And then this one, white cherry tomato. This one, it's sour. Pero may sweet, meron din touch ng sweetness. Hindi tulad ng cherry tomato. Talagang masarap siya, matamis siya. This one, makikita mo, iba yung korte niya. This is plum. This is plum tomato. Tumatawa yung cameraman ko. Okay. So, this is plum tomato. For me, between the three so far, pinaka-first na like ko yung plum tomato, second yung cherry, pinaka-last yung white cherry. Now, we have here gold nugget tomato. So here, I'm gonna start. By the way, all this tomato that I have in front of me is all washed. So yeah. Wow. I like the gold nugget.
What does it taste like?
Matamis din siya, pero yung skin niya manipis.
Also,
Hindi katulad ng plum, makapal yung balat ng plum at saka ng cherry.
is it juicy?
Dong gold nugget, para siyang may meat na parang saging, alam mo yun? May thickness. Kasi yung cherry is most water, tsaka
So juicy.
Tapos itong nugget, ang sarap, meron siyang parang laman. Last is grape tomato. So we have cherry, white, plum, gold, and grape tomato. The last one is grape tomato. Sana hindi ako takihan ng acid reflux dito. Okay, ngayon i-rate na natin. So, pinakagusto ko, first is the gold nugget, which is ito yon. Yan, yung gold nugget. Tapos, second na gusto ko is the cherry, which is this one. Ito yung second na gusto ko. Okay? Tapos, ang sunod na gusto ko is the plum. This one. Yung pahaba siya ng kaunti. As you see, para siyang pahaba. Then, yung grape. Here. This is the grape. And yung pinaka-last is the white cherry. Hindi ko masyadong gusto yung white cherry. So, hindi ko siya gusto. Ayoko siya. Ito lang. So, yeah. So, yan. So, ngayon, alam niyo na kung anong kaibahan. So, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Sorry. Sorry. Wag mo ipopost. Wag mo i-close. So yeah, sorry because it's my first time and my kids wants me to do the vlog and so yeah, I just do their request. So yan. So now, as you see, meron kami meron kami ditong talong. So as you see, the eggplant in English and scientific name of talong is Shubekashona. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know the scientific name of that talong, but all I want to say is, so bakit may talong na malaki at saka may maliit? So itong talong na to, it's called little finger talong. Little finger eggplant. Ouch! Ouch! There's thorn. So this one, I don't know what do you call on this talong. Ayaw, what talong is this, huh?
It's original.
It's
Is it oblong?
This is round talong from America. This is an American talong. So yeah. This one is good for kapag gusto mong gumawa ng moussaka. So moussaka is a Greek lasagna which is they don't use pasta. They use only eggplant and potato. So yeah. So this is good for that. Eto, yung talong na to, I don't know, maybe this is for salad, pero nag-fried kami at kinain namin siya.
That's called Nadia.
Nadia, this is Nadia.
Right there.
Nadia Montenegro. She's not an artist from the Philippines, but her name is Nadia. So yeah.
Or American eggplant, I
See,
guess.
I told you this is American
What was
eggplant.
Nadia?
See, mga guys, tignan nyo, the American eggplant, what is the difference?
They're thick.
So, yon. Anyway, magpapaalam na po kami. At ibigay mo na yan. Ayan na ang aking mga kasama. Paalam na. Bye. Like and subscribe.
Hit that.
Hit the button.
Notification.
Yeah. And then, also, if you want to make a comment, you can make a comment. And we're gonna answer your comment. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.